I just finished taking some pictures for Instagram, and this is my outfit. I just have on like this little top. I got this from, y'all know my boobs are so huge. I got this from Ross, and then I'm just wearing some high-waisted Fashion Nova jeans that I got many years ago. But yeah, I curled my hair, I did my makeup this morning. I'm feeling cute or whatever. These are my shades of the day. You guys have seen these shades before, but these are the ones that I'm wearing today. I'm getting ready to meet Ryan for lunch. But yeah, this is the outfit, sis. I'm getting ready to go to lunch, so I'll see you guys when I get back. Hey y'all, so I made it back home, and now I'm just going to sit on the couch and read my book and just relax. I'm not turning on a TV, I'm not turning on any music. Just gonna sit here and finish this book out. Food was good. We went to Bahama Breeze. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit and enjoy my book. I think I'm gonna sip on one of these Boathouse Farms Daily Greens. I've had this before, it's really good. So it has 1 apple, cucumber, celery, kiwi, kale, spinach, and romaine, and a squeeze of lemon. So I think I'll sip on this to get some greens in. Cheers. Alright y'all, so I'm on my way to pick up little Tony from school. He get out of school at 3 o'clock, but I like to head up there a little early so that I can get in the line for the car riders, because the line is always like wrapped around the building. And I brought a snack, just some string cheese, because like I said, I'll be waiting for a while. And she gets a little hungry. I was actually trying to get dinner ready, because I like to try to have dinner ready before Tony gets home. So I didn't finish it, but I'm just doing something simple. Most of the time our dinners, when little Tony is home, our dinner is pretty basic, because little Tony is such a picky eater. So I can't make all that fancy stuff because little Tony don't like all that. So I'm just doing some chicken breasts, some yellow rice, and probably like some corn. Something simple that I know he'll eat. Let's see. Oh yeah, the line not that long yet. How was your day?
It was good. Oh, the new kid who speaks Spanish, I had my first conversation with him.
What happened?
Yeah, we were talking about soccer, and yes, I can speak Spanish.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
See?
See?
Oh, that's all I know. So y'all had y'all first conversation. Is he a nice kid?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
What school did he go to last year, you know?
No, he didn't tell me. I'll ask him tomorrow. I just gotta go on Google Translate and write some stuff down on my arm. He'll be like, whatever. Oh yeah, and stuff like that. Yeah. I'm gonna write it down on my arm.
You gonna go on Google?
But I'm gonna learn more.
Yeah.
So I can actually have conversations with him. But he has this dictionary where he can say some stuff in English. He'll read it and then say it.
So look what came in the mail. I don't know if I told you guys, but I did order some candles from Bath & Body Works. They sent a coupon in my email for $10 off. So I just ordered like 3 candles. They're all repurchases. I didn't get anything new. go in here. Only ones that I've tried before. So the first one is mahogany teakwood high intensity. I have the regular mahogany teakwood, but I wanted to do the high intensity. And then champagne toast. I really like this one. And then I picked up another Parisian rose, which I am burning right now. So yeah, picked up my 3 little candles. Y'all, I'm snacking on some heart-shaped watermelon. If you guys are wondering how I got my watermelon like this, I just use these cute little cookie cutters. So you can buy like hearts, bows, circles, squares. So yeah. Isn't it cute? One of you guys told me to try my watermelon with the tahini seasoning, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on the corner. See if I like it. See if y'all really got my back. I don't really like it like that. We're so sweet. So yummy. What I'm doing for dinner, Latona wanted some fried chicken. I'm gonna have some yellow rice, foggy, and some corn. So that's what I'm cooking. If you guys are wondering why I'm not using my deep fryer, it's because I need to clean it out. So I'll probably do that tonight. But yeah, so frying this chicken up, some chicken breasts. And what time is it? It is 3:49. So Tony can eat, he can take a quick nap, and then he has practice. So yeah, that's dinner. In the gym. I came to the gym at 8:30. It is now 8:57. I did the elliptical for 20 minutes. Oh, I'm tired. And now I'm doing leg work. So I did this machine right here, 3 sets of 15. And now I'm just doing my deadlifts with 20-pound weights, 3 sets of 15. Then I'll do some squats, 3 sets of 15, and then I'll be done. I'm on my way to my mom's house. She doesn't like driving over bridges, so she wants to come over. So I'm gonna go pick her up, and then Ryan will come when he get off work to take her home, because they live on the same side of town. And I'm so thirsty. But I'll get something to drink when I get over there. But yeah, y'all, I had a really good workout. I was supposed to work out yesterday, but I didn't make it to the gym yesterday, so I got that out of the way early this morning. As soon as I dropped Tony off to school, then I went straight to the gym. I only did 40 minutes today, which is fine. So I'm not complaining. At least I got up and went. Y'all know what I want? I want a salmon croquette and some grits. That sounds so good right now. I'm trying to think, I have some salmon at the house, but it's a whole piece of salmon. I know I can still use that to make a salmon croquette, but I don't want to do that. Dang, that sounds so good. So I'm running in Sephora because I want to get me a new eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna go in. Oh, am I too? Yeah, I think I'm a little too far in the street. So this is what I'm having for lunch. It's just the sweet kale vegetable salad kit. It has broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, and poppy seed dressing. It's so delicious. So I just usually eat this whole bag. I like to put my salads in these little bowls here. Well, it's not a little bowl, it's a big bowl. But I picked this bowl up from Home Goods a while ago. I've had it for a while, but yeah, this is what I'm having for lunch.
I'm gonna try to get some dirt.
Yeah, we gotta go get some more dirt.
I'm gonna take them and put it in there. I can throw this away because I was gonna use. I'm gonna take those and use the biggest one and give the other one back to my mama. Now I need to put. I'm gonna put them in that pot. I'll probably put that big one in that pot. Switch them around.
Okay. All right, y'all. We're gonna get this thing together.
We'll do it on the weekend.
Okay.
Friday.